Hi friends, thanks for connecting. In this quick tutorial I will demonstrate how you can fix or repartition your corrupted USB or disk drive. We will further see how we can format and change the partition type using Diskpart commands. Once USB attach, you will see the raw state with multiple partitions. This could be some time due to creating a bootable or live USB, or you want to create a clean single partition on your USB drive. The Diskpart command interpreter helps you manage your computer's drives, disks, partitions, volumes, or virtual hard disks. To see available disks, run list disk. Same way, to see and identify volumes, run list volume command. To select a disk, run select disk followed by the disk number. You need to be very careful on making disk selections. Wrong disk selection can lead to data loss. Run the clean command to remove all partitions and clear all data on USB. Before disk 4 can be utilized again, a partition will need to be created by running create partition primary. You can format by pop-up message, or we can perform a quick format of disk 4 to NTFS by running the format command. As you can see, our current partition type is showing as GPT. If you want to convert it to MBR, you need to convert it before running the primary command. If you try converting it to the current state, it will not allow you to convert. So run clean command again and then convert to MBR. Then create partition primary command. You can assign or change letter of drive by assign letter command. Lastly, we can perform a quick format of USB disk again to NTFS. Our USB disk partition is now changed back to MBR and ready to use again. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.